Okay, you okay with me taking over with naming it? Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, I've got someone on a Samsung device. Your hair is in twisted locks or braided locks. Please unmute. Give me your name.
Ray John Prince.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney at all outside of court?
No.
Thank you. Spell Ray John, please.
Yes.
Spell the first name.
Rajuan.
And then Prince, Prince.
Yes.
Thank you. Device, it says censorship. I need a real name, please.
The name on that is Albert Philpotts.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, not since the arraignment.
All right, thank you. Zoom user, red hair, looks like maybe a yellow vest. Please unmute. I need a name.
Christian Powell.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No.
Thank you. Thank you, Halar Taher Hassim. Thank you for renaming your device. Darius P. I need a real name, please.
Last name Perry, man.
Thank you. Hey guys, you're going to be placed in a breakout room momentarily to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait. We're coming out of amnesty, so there's a large docket, lots of people here trying to take care of tickets. The attorneys will get to you as quickly as they can, and then they'll send you back out to see me if you need to. Thank you, Mr. Tarleton. Pletz, P-L-E-T-Z. I need a name, please.
David.
First name is David?
Yep.
Thank you. If you know that you need to show things like registration, insurance documents, you got your window tint removed, got your brake lights fixed, anything like that, please go ahead and gather those documents while you're waiting for the attorneys. Phone number ending in 9770, your name, please.
Rolanda Polk.
Rolanda, R-O-L-A-N-D-A?
R-O-L-O-N-D-A. Polk, P-O-L-K.
Thank you. All right. Is there anyone in the room right now who has spoken with an attorney outside of court? All right. I'm going to place you all in breakout rooms. You will see the invitations come up. Please join them and then wait patiently, please, for the attorneys to get to your room. You'll start seeing the invitations now. Looks like we're going to be ready on Antoine Powell in a moment. I got a bunch of more people to get into breakout rooms, so. All right, good morning, everyone. Thank you for your patience. Mr. Tarleton, you should have received an invitation to a breakout room. You should be gone there already.
Yes, I did, and it told me to leave it. Something popped up and said leave breakout room or meeting.
Please try to go back because otherwise you're going to get bumped down in the line. You're in room 18.
Is my phone still on?
Someone is not muted. Please make sure you're muted. Mr. Tarleton, I can't return you to the breakout room. You have to do that yourself.
Okay.
So if I have to put you in a breakout room, I have to put you at the end of the line, which you don't want. So please look at your device and try to figure that out, how you get yourself back. All right. To everyone else, good morning and welcome to traffic court. There is a large docket today. Please be patient and be prepared to wait. You need to see an attorney before I hear your matter. You're going to be placed in a breakout room where the attorney will come and meet you to speak with you about your case. They will then send you back out here to see me if there's something for us to do on the record today. I'm going to start by getting your devices properly named for those of you who just came in and getting you breakout rooms. All right, so first of all, I have Cassandra Tinsley. Good morning.
Good morning.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all, ma'am?
No, I,
Thank you. Malik Taylor, please unmute. Same question.
Yeah.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No.
Thank you. Alexis Tompkins, please unmute. Same question. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No.
Thank you. All right. I'm going to place the three of you into breakout rooms because your devices are already named. As I said, there will be a wait. If you know you need to show documents like registration or insurance, or you got something fixed on the car that you were cited for, please go ahead and use the time to gather those items together. Ms. Tompkins, you're going to room 30. Brian Washington going to room 31. Oh, that's right. Mr. Washington, please don't leave. I'll have to go back and get it. Malik Taylor. See if you can bring him out for me. All right. Attorney Paris, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Um,
Which
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
case are you here on today?
I have Mercedes Petway. I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
Yes, Mercedes Petway and Maya Payman. I've been appointed to both of them. I've been in contact with them and I'm waiting on discovery. So I was wondering if I could just have two pretrial dates for them.
You can, but I still don't know. I heard Petway, but I don't know the first name. Sorry, I have several Petways on the docket today.
I'm sorry,
So-
Your Honor. I'll repeat that. The first one is going to be Mercedes Petway.
Okay.
And the second one, when you're ready, let me know.
I'm ready. Go ahead, please.
Maya, Mayah Paymond.
Okay. And you've spoken with both of them. Are they planning to appear today, or are you just getting the dates and letting them know?
They are planning to appear unless they hear from me. So once I receive the dates, they will not appear because I'm going to immediately let them know.
All right, thank you. So our next pretrial date is April 23rd at 8:35 a.m. Have you put the discovery request in already?
I have not. I literally just got appointed to them and spoke to them. So that's going to happen today.
So let me give you a different date because you won't have enough time. I'll give you May 11th.
Okay, 1 second.
May
Your Honor,
11th
please.
at 8:35 a.m.
You said at 8:35.
Yeah, May 11th, 8:35 a.m. I'll just, do you want to know if there are offers in these cases, or you just want to go ahead?
Not right now. Neither of them are interested in an offer. Could we do a different day than May 11th? I have an in-person jury trial at the court that day.
Yep. How about, what's May 10th?
That's a Sunday.
Okay. That would push us up to Friday. We better go out. How long is your jury trial expected to last? 1 day, 2 days?
I think it just would be the 1 day.
Okay, so I could do May 12th or May 13th. Just let me know which one.
Let's see. May 13th is perfect.
Okay, May 13th, Madam Clerk, for Petway, Mercedes, and Maya Payman. Thank you. All right, very good. We'll see you back then. Okay, counsel?
Yes, May 13th at 8:30, correct?
By Zoom. Have a great day.
Thank you. You as well.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, then I know we've got a few more ready, guys. Give me just a second. I've got Zoom user up there. I need you to unmute and give me a name, please.
Zakia Pinkert.
Zakia.
Yes.
Okay,
Pinkert.
please spell the first name.
Zaykia.
Okay, and
Pinkert.
spell the last name.
Pinkert, Pinkard.
All right, thank you. All right, then I have Tyrese. Unmute Tyrese. Give me a full name, please.
Tyrese Childress.
Spell the last name.
Childress, Childress.
with a C?
Yes, ma'am. She has a cat.
Okay, thank you. That name would not normally be on my docket, but they did put you on mine today, which is
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
Sturl, please unmute. Sturl, I need a full name, please.
Thornton.
Oh, wow. That audio is bad. I can't understand you at all. Just one more time, please.
Thornton.
Can you understand? Your audio is really like muffled. I can't hear you. Attorney Werbling, which case are you here on, please? Or Turner?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Turner.
What's the first name on Turner?
Dion, D-I-O-N.
Okay, I don't have that person just yet.
Yeah, he's coming to my office here.
Okay, gotcha. I'll give you co-host. You know, city attorney will meet too.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, let's get this. Let me get Miss Pinkert. I'm going to get you into a breakout room, and then the device that says Brian Washington, please unmute. Miss Pinkert, join the breakout room.
Hi, my name is Brandy Taylor.
Thank you. Okay. Have you spoken with an attorney at all outside of court?
No.
Okay. All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. There will be a wait. Just use the time to gather documents if you know you need to for your case.
Okay.
Oh, I put you in a breakout room earlier. Do you see it?
Yes.
See if you can still join that breakout room for me. Or return to breakout room or whatever. Okay. All right. And then we have Mr. Childress. Who's gonna? I'm putting you in a breakout room, Mr. Childress. Oh goodness. This is kind of crazy today. Sorry guys, I'm gonna get to this as quickly as I can. I just got a bunch of things going on. All right. Madam Interpreter, your name and qualifications for the record, please.
Maria Cox, COX. I was previously qualified by the state of Michigan. I am a professional interpreter with 8 years of experience.
Thank you. This court is familiar with the high quality and frequency of your work. I do find you qualified to interpret today. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that you will, as accurately as possible and to the best of your ability, translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English today.
I do.
Thank you. All right. Calling ticket number P1876345, City versus Juan Perdido Valle.
Llamando el caso SP 1876345, el Estado contra Juan Perdido Valle.
Sir, please state your name for the record.
Señor Valle, por favor, diga su nombre para las escrituras.
Juan José Perdido Valle.
I understand you will be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license. Is that correct?
Yo entiendo que usted se va a declarar culpable al cargo rebajado de fallar en presentar una licencia válida. ¿Eso es correcto?
Correcto.
Correct.
Did anyone promise you anything I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
¿Alguien le prometió algo diferente de lo que acaban de decir para que usted se declare culpable hoy?
No.
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
¿Alguien lo forzó, lo amenazó o lo chantajeó para que usted se declarara culpable hoy?
No.
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
¿Se está declarando culpable porque usted es culpable?
Did we lose? Mr. Valle.
Señor Valle, ¿usted se está declarando culpable porque usted sí es culpable?
Sí.
Yes. Correct.
Did the attorney advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
El abogado le dijo que usted tenía derecho de ir a un juicio y cuáles eran sus derechos durante el juicio.
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
You understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial.
¿Usted entiende que usted pierde esos derechos si usted acepta esta oferta hoy porque no habrá un juicio?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Please raise your right hand.
Por favor, levante la mano derecha.
Do you swear to tell the truth today?
¿Usted jura que va a decir la verdad hoy?
Sí,
Yes.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Is it true, sir, that on March 7th of 2026, in the area of Woodmere and Oakdale, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
¿Es verdad que el día 7 de marzo del 2026 usted estaba manejando en el área, en el área de la calle Woodmere, en la ciudad de Detroit, y cuando el policía le pidió que presentara su licencia, no lo pudo hacer, ¿correcto?
correcto.
Correct.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get that paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers at the courthouse. As long as you do one of those two things in the next 60 days, this deal remains in place.
La multa son $190. Tiene 30 días para pagar, o si no puede pagarlo todo de una vez, puede ir al juzgado y pedir que lo pongan en un plan de pago, pero tiene que hacer eso antes de 30 días a partir de hoy. ¿Entiende?
Entiendo.
I understand. And Your Honor,
Have a good day.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, but there was a charge that was going to be dismissed. I probably shouldn't say
That charge
anything,
has been dismissed pursuant to the plea. Thank you.
Ok, dice que el otro cargo se lo anulan porque así fue el acuerdo. Yo les recordé que no, que eso era.
El otro ticket no me lo cobran.
¿Perdón?
El otro ticket no me lo cobran.
¿No me lo qué?
That's why I was avoiding saying that. I did not want to cause confusion. The ticket for,
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm so
it's okay,
sorry.
the ticket for fail to signal is dismissed. The driver's license plea is to the failure to display.
Ok, entonces el tiquete de que usted falló en tener el turno, ese se lo quitaron.
Perfecto.
Okay,
Gracias.
thank
All
you.
right, thank you. Have a great day, both of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Buenos días.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Guys, if you're in the courtroom right now, please make sure you're appropriate for court and turn on your cameras. We're getting ready to take your pleas. Right, I'm going to say this to all of you. When I give you the fine to pay, you will have 60 days to pay the fine or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. As long as you do one of those two things within the 60 days that I'm allotting you, and Ms. Teamer, in your case, it will be 90 days. As long as you get it paid on time, your deals remain in place, okay? I'm going to start with Mr. Powell, calling ticket number P1749715, City versus Antoine Powell. Mr. Powell, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Antoine Powell.
Thank you. I understand you'll be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license. Is that correct?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything other than the reduction in the charge to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. You can put your hand down, sir. Is it true that on July 10th of 2025 in the area of Ansbury and Wade that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $190, Mr. Powell, 60 days. Have a great day.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ms. Teamer, good morning. Calling ticket number P1875423, City versus Tamia Teamer. Good morning, Ms. Teamer. Please state your name for the record.
Tamia Teamer.
Thank you. I understand you'll be pleading guilty as charged to the city park ticket with a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on March 8th, 2026, in the area of Jefferson and Iroquois, you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $190. You have 90 days to get it paid. As long as you get it paid in the 90 days and don't pick up any similar tickets, I'll pull the case up and dismiss it in 90 days. If something happens where you get a similar ticket or you can't get it paid in time, you can come back and see me on July 8th at 8:30 in the morning so we can figure things out, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Have a great day. Thank you. All right, I've got Mr. Trusley and then Mr. Pinkston, Mr. Turner or Ms. Turner. I'm still waiting for you to turn on your camera so that I know you're ready to proceed. One moment, please. I need to let a couple people in. All right, Officer Person, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
My name is
Officer Person, which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here on Tyrone.
Is that a first name?
Oh, correct.
Okay, can I have a last name? I got about 100 people on the
Oh,
docket
I'm sorry about
today.
that. Last name Filson.
Philson?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to place you in breakout room number 1.
All right, thank you.
City attorney will come there to talk to you. All right, I've got Cassandra Tinsley. Were you here earlier? Unmute, please.
Something happened to the phone and I don't remember what was said.
Is that your name?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Ms. Tinsley, please pay attention. I'm really busy. Is that the correct name on your device?
Yes.
Okay. You don't know which room you were in?
No.
Okay. I'm going to have to put you in a room. And I don't know which one, unfortunately.
I think I saw the number 33. I don't know whether.
33 is empty, so I'll put you there. Go ahead and join, please. Thank you. All right, Anthony Trusley.
Good morning.
Good morning. Calling ticket number P1874525, City versus Anthony Trusley. Mr. Trusley, please state your name for the record.
Anthony Trusley.
Thank you, Mr. Trusley. It appears you're going to be pleading guilty to open alcohol passenger, 1 to 5 over limited access, a 0-point ticket, and the no insurance ticket is going to be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on March 5th, 2026, in the area of East 7 Mile and St. Aubin in the city of Detroit, that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes.
Is it also true that you had open alcohol in the vehicle at that time in the passenger area?
Yes.
Thank you. On each of these, on your 1 to 5 over, the fine is $125. On the open alcohol, it's $190. You have those 60 days to pay it or get on the payment plan with the cashiers. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye. Thank you. Good day. All right, I've got Mr. Pinkston. I've got ticket number 266104 and 520595 and any other related matters on today's docket to City versus Arias Pinkston. Mr. Pinkston, please state your name for the record.
Arias Pinkston.
Thank you. I understand that you're going to be pleading guilty to failure to display a valid license everything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April the 21st, 2019, in the area of East McNichols and Fenelon, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have those 60 days to get that paid or get on a payment plan. Have a wonderful day.
You do, sir.
Thank you. Attorney Murray, good morning. Which case you here on today?
Good morning, Judge. I was here on Kamar Bird. It was a review date, but I checked the ROA. It looks like he may have been closed out. Can we confirm?
Okay, give us just a moment on Bert. You said the last name is what? Bird?
BYRD, Coleman Bird.
That's just odd because I don't usually have B's on my docket, but I had a C on my docket today. So who knows? Let's check. All right, let's go to, while Madam Clerk is checking that, K. Don Turner, good morning. Calling ticket number X4657565, City versus K. Don Turner. Mr. Turner, on mute. State your name for the record, please.
K. Don Turner.
Thank you. I understand you're just going to be admitting to the reduced charge of blockading traffic. That's a reduction from the failure to yield. The no operator's license is being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
That blockading is 0 points, does not report to insurance. It's a $175 fine. You are admitting that on March 4th of 2026 at 94 in the lodge that you were blockading traffic, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $175. You have 60 days to get it paid or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Have a great day.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
First name for attorney.
Attorney Bird, Attorney Murray, what's the first name on Bird, please?
Kamar, but I think I may be in the wrong meeting room. I'm supposed to be before Judge Stanford Jones, so I'll go join.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Good to see you anyway. I'm glad I got to see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, calling ticket number P1851784, City versus Monica Terry. Ms. Terry, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Monica Terry.
Thank you, Ms. Terry. It looks like they're going to reduce that 11 to 15 over, which would have been a 3-point ticket, down to a blockading traffic, 0 points, does not report out to your insurance. And then the other ticket that you have at the same time, that no insurance will be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay, $175 on the blockading, and you are admitting, ma'am, that on March 2nd, 2026, in the area of Gratiot and Eastwood, that you were blockading traffic. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you. $175. You have 60 days to get this paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. As long as you do one of those two things, the deal remains in place. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
All right. I have Janae Tyler. Good morning. Ms. Tyler, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all? Who did you speak with? Okay. Okay. You're having an audio issue. I'll wait. Mr. Penny, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Not yet, no.
Okay, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that you can speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please don't use the help button. There is a long wait today. Use the time that you're waiting to get your documents together if you need to, like registration and insurance, or if you got something fixed on the vehicle. Please join the breakout room now. Zoom user, please unmute. I need a name. Zoom user, please unmute and give me a name or I have to remove you from the session.
DeAndre Turner.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
My first attorney, but she told me that she couldn't take the case because she had like a medical issue. So I was supposed to speak with a different attorney. I haven't spoken with them yet.
Is it This might be Attorney Warbling. Let me just bring him out and see what the first name is.
Oh, I got a text from my attorney last night. His name was Attorney Sam Ragnon.
Ragnan, okay, you have Ragnan. Thank you. Sorry, Attorney Warbling. I had Attorney Warbling. Which Turner are you here on? Because I've got
Dion Alfred. His middle name is Alfred. Dion Alfred Turner.
Dion Alfred. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I thought that I haven't gotten your client here yet.
He's at the office here. So.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, he's with me.
And give me just a minute. I'll check to
take
see if
your-
there's an
no
offer on your
problem.
file.
No problem.
And then,
Was it Miss Horn? I texted her. I don't know.
yes.
So,
but
so
have
I
an
made her
offer-
aware that we were here.
Okay. I have an offer sheet, so I'll check it for you in a moment to see if there's something on it.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
All right, with Ms. Tyler, I did advise of her rights. She does and continues to have, unfortunately, audio problems, but she is acceptive of the plea.
Okay.
But she's not able to put a factual basis on the record because of her audio. But by the I guess physical cues of the nodding of the head, she affirmed that she understood her rights and the plea, which is before you, she wanted to accept and waive her rights to a trial.
Unfortunately, I don't know whether I can do that because I may need to have a record unless this is just a civil infraction or a dismissal where I don't really need defendant to make a record.
It is a civil infraction that she's pleading responsible.
Okay, then you can represent her if it's just a civil infraction. Okay. Good morning, Ms. Horn, giving you co-host now.
Okay,
And
thank
then
you, Judge.
Attorney
Good morning.
Warbling. Good morning. Since Ms. Horn is here, if you want to go on back into room 2, she'll see
Sure.
you there.
Thank you.
Okay,
Judge.
see you there. Thanks for your patience.
Okay, calling ticket number P1872204, City versus Janae Tyler. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Ms. Tyler, who is appearing via Zoom. Your Honor, I will acknowledge that Ms. Tyler is having audio trouble, but she did give me a physical confirmation that she is who she is addressed to be.
All right, thank you. This is a case where we're having a technical difficulty, so Ms. Tyler is not able to be heard on the record. However, given that this is being resolved through an admission to simply a civil infraction, it would be a case where we could waive the defendant's presence anyway. So we'll go ahead and get that done. She's got a disregarding traffic control device and a no insurance. Attorney Johnson, I understand the disregarding traffic control device is going to turn into what?
Limited access 1 to 5, Your Honor. My client wishes to be responsible. I did advise her of her rights. She did waive her rights to any type of trial or formal hearing. She wants to accept and adopt. She asked that you accept and adopt the recommendation, which is a plea of responsible to limited access 1 to 5 miles per hour, and she will, and the no insurance will be dismissed.
All right, thank you. And you are making the admission to the 1 to 5 limited access on her behalf under her direction, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $125, Ms. Tyler, 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Just do one of those 2 things within the 60 days and this deal remains in place. Have a great day.
Thank
All
you.
right, bye-bye.
Back into
Thank
the
you.
breakout rooms.
Thank you, counsel. Tyrone Filson, please unmute.
Yes.
Tyrone Filson, good morning.
Yes. Good morning.
Have you spoken to an attorney outside of court?
No.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. An attorney will be there to meet with you, but there is a wait. Please don't get frustrated and hang up or start banging on the help button because it just stops court out here. They know you're there. They're coming. Room 4. Please go ahead and join. Thank you. Christopher Turner, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm good. Were you previously in a breakout room, Mr. Turner?
No, I
Say that
was
one more
not.
time.
One moment, please. Who's on the phone number ending in 6324?
Mortarice Turner.
Spell your first name.
Mortarice, Mortarice.
For trial, Madam Clerk. And let's see. Okay. All right, Mr. Turner, I'm putting you in a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney. There is a wait. Please just be patient and wait for them to get to your room. They're coming. They know you're there. All right. Attorney Werbling, did you get back into breakout room 2?
Judge, we have a resolution, but it's to a civil infraction, but my client's here. Do you need him physically? I don't mind. It's just that.
No,
Okay.
it's fine.
Okay.
Officer Kazali, you're going to breakout room number 1. May I have the file on Dean Alfred Turner, please, Madam Clerk, when you're ready? And then I've got Christopher Turner. I'm sorry about that. Go ahead and unmute, please. Christopher Turner, please unmute.
Yes.
Hi. Were you previously in a breakout room?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay. And do we know what time were you scheduled for, Mr. Turner?
I believe it was like 8:30.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney. There is a wait. Please use the time to gather documents like registration, insurance, etc. if you know you need to. Putting in a breakout room, go ahead and join for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I've got, let's see, we'll go to Dion Turner, which is ticket number P1869516 and P1869466. These are both City versus Dion Alfred Turner. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Judge, may I please this most honorable court, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Turner. Judge, with the resolution, we're just left with a civil infraction, which I do have the authority to accept that if we could waive his appearance. He would be pleading guilty to count 1 and the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Thank you. All right, court will grant the motion to waive presence.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Count 2 on the ticket ending in 9466 is dismissed pursuant to the plea, as is ticket ending in 9516, also dismissed pursuant to the plea. Count 1 on ticket ending in 9466 will be pled to as charged, which is the seat belt. I think that's $65, 60 days.
Thank you, Judge. You and your staff have a great day. In fact, I'll see your staff in the afternoon. Have a great one.
Right. You do the same. Thanks.
Thank you.
Karen T, I need you to unmute and give me a full name, please. Karen T.
Good morning.
Von Powell is our next one. Good morning. What's your full name, please?
Karen P. Terrell.
Terrell, thank you. And do you know what time you're scheduled for today, Ms. Terrell?
I don't, and I'm so sorry, Judge.
It's okay. Just making sure you're not here for trial. You're not. Okay. All right. I'm going to, Ms. Terrell, I'm going to place you in a breakout room so that an attorney can come and speak to you. As you've heard me saying all morning, there is a wait. Please be patient. You're going to room 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead and hit join for me, and they'll be there to talk to you. Officer Love, good morning. Placing you in breakout room number 1 so that you can see the city attorney. Please go to breakout room number 1. I've got on the iPhone, good morning. Looks like you got on a Nike jacket. What's your name, please?
Rose Thomas.
Like Rose Thomas?
Yes.
Okay. And do you know what time you're scheduled for, Ms. Thomas?
9:30.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Yes, last court date.
Just at your last court date? And I don't have you on the 9:30 docket, so I must have you on the, okay, you're on the 8:35 docket. That's fine. Okay, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can see an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait. If you know you need to show them documents like registration and insurance, or you fix something on the car, use the time to gather those items, please. You're going to room 41. Go ahead and hit join for me. Thank you. All right, I've got Javon Powell, and then I've got Shanika Thomas on Mr. Powell. Calling ticket number P968928 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Jovan Powell. Mr. Powell, please unmute and state your name for the record.
My name is Jovan Powell.
Thank you, Mr. Powell.
Looks like
I have another device running. I'm getting feedback. Okay, thank you. Looks like you're going to.
Thank you.
Guilty.
Looks like you're gonna guilty.
You're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 1 count of improper plate, and 5 other charges will be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding? Now I got to unmute you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that consistent?
I don't understand why I'm getting. Did anyone promise anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you would have it at trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you won't have those rights if I accept not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that you say the truth.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it true that I'm in the area of Livernois and Thatcher operated a vehicle and could not display license?
Your Honor, I'm sorry, I can't catch the date or location.
February 4th, 2019. Livernois and Thatcher.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it true that you could not display a valid license?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle?
That is true, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You're fine on the failure to display. You're fine on the improper plate.
I couldn't hear none of the fines. I'm sorry.
190 and 100. 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan with the.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, Shanika Thomas. Sorry about that, Madam Court Reporter. That was a hard one. Ms. Thomas, good morning, please. There we go. We've got you unmuted. Ticket number P1080478 and all other related matters on today's docket. 2 City versus Shanika Thomas. Ms. Thomas, good morning.
Good morning.
Please state your name for the record.
Shanika Thomas.
Thank you. It appears you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates, 3 counts of failure to display a valid license, all other matters being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Okay.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that of the rights you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, I understand.
Please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, it's all the truth.
Thank you. One moment, please. All right. Is it true, ma'am, that on October 22nd of 2023 in the area of East 7 Mile and Greeley, that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Is it also true that the plates were not proper because the car was not properly registered at that time?
Yes.
And it is also true that you could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, that's true.
Thank you. Is it true that on February 2nd of 2025 in the area of East Warren and Manistee that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. And finally, is it true that on February 13th of 2025 in the area of Alter Road in Charlevoix that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fines are as follows. On your first improper plate, that one is $190. On your second improper plate, I can reduce that one to $100, and I can reduce your first failure to display to $100 because it is on the same ticket. Ms. Horn, I'm giving you, okay, you have co-host, great. Then on your other ticket, your failure to display is $190, and on the other ticket, your failure to display is $190. So you have 3 fines of $190, 2 fines of $100. I'm giving you 90 days. Within the 90 days, if you feel that you can't pay these in full, that's okay. You can go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse, and they can put you on a much longer term payment plan, okay?
Okay. I just want to ask you, is it a way that I can do the payment plan in community service? Because
Yeah,
I'm
would you
looking for
prefer
a job.
to
I'm
do
sorry, go
community
ahead.
service?
Yeah. Because I'm looking
Yes.
for work and
Uh-huh.
I'm not driving, so it's kind of hard for me to find work with no transportation. But I don't want to continue to drive and continue to get tickets. So I was
Yeah.
gonna ask you if I could do community service.
You can. Are you experiencing any kind of risk of homelessness or housing instability?
I'm homeless right now. I'm in between staying with family members. So
All right, Ms. Thomas, would you like to be referred to our street court program? Street court is a program by which they take all of your tickets. So we would undo your plea today. They take all of your tickets, they put you in their program. They give you things to do that you want to do for yourself. Like if you want to get education, they'll help you find that. If you're looking for a job, they'll help you with that. If you need help with housing, they'll help you with all of that. And then
yes, I
you
would love to
graduate the
be in that
program and
program.
all of your tickets get dismissed.
Yes, I would love to be in that program.
Okay, so then I'm going to withdraw your pleas that we just entered so that you need tickets to get into the program, okay? And then you don't have to pay anything. Once you're in the program, you just complete the task that they give you, you graduate, and all these tickets go away. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
All right, so let's do that. Let me give you their number.
Okay.
Their phone number is 313 355 355 355 4460.
Okay.
I'm going to give you a date to come back and see me in 90 days, July 8th of 2026.
Okay.
All right. Yes, they may tell you that you don't even have to come back on that day. The attorney, because they have attorneys there that will be working with you, they may just come on your behalf. And hopefully I'll get to see you at your graduation. Maybe you'll get on my docket. Okay?
Yes, thank you. So I just give them a call.
Yep, call them today. Call them right now. And if you have to call them a couple times, call them a couple times. It's a great program and they'll help you.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
All right, Madam Clerk, I just gave her street court, set it out for 90 days. It's written on the front of the folder. Ms. Pringle, good morning. Go ahead and unmute, please. How are you this morning?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. I will, since I see you have a request for community service, ask you the same question. If you're experiencing any kind of housing instability, homelessness, etc., I can put you into the street court program where they will help you deal with all of those things, or any of those things. Do you have any desire to do that?
Yes.
Or need for that? Okay, all right.
If they can help me find employment, because During this altercation, I was actually surrendering my van because of financial hardship.
Okay.
And based on these factors, I respectfully request and ask the court to accept my admission with the explanation, please.
Okay, so if you want to do the street court program, I'm not going to do any of that right now. You'll just go into the program, call them, and these will all get dismissed when you finish that program. So there's no need to admit to anything or pay any money at this time. Is that what you'd like to do?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you their phone number. Please take it down and give them a call.
And Your Honor, really quickly, just want to be sure, is she at risk for homelessness or homelessness? I did hear financial hardship, and I do understand that.
Right, I assessed that. She said she's surrendering her van. I mean, I think, you know, when we talk about risk of homelessness, I don't think we're required to wait for somebody to be on the street, right? So if someone's telling me they need community service, they've surrendered their vehicle, they're looking for work, that's getting pretty close to some instability, it sounds like, but I did ask the question, so we'll ask it again. Ms. Pringle, do you feel that you're at risk of any homelessness? Like, I mean, you don't have to be homeless right now, but are things starting to happen that put you at risk for that?
Yes, I haven't worked since November 2024, ma'am.
Understood.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you for that, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, thank you. All right, so take down the number, Ms. Pringle.
Yes.
313
Yes.
355
Yes.
4460.
4460. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
just give them a call and start working with them. They can help you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, I didn't see them yet. Thank you. All right, Ms. Horn, looks like we got a lot of officers here for you. Everyone has named their devices. Thank you for doing that. Officer is going to place you in room number 1 right now so that you can see the city attorney.
Hello?
I'll be right back with you, sir. I removed you because you turned your camera on and you were laid up sleeping in the bed, which I'm not going to sit and watch. But your audio is better now, so we'll be able to talk with you. That's great.
Okay.
Now, tell me your full name.
Sterling Thornton.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Thornton. Now I'm going to have to get you into the breakout room so the attorneys can speak with you. You are in court. Thank you. You are going to need to sit up and remember that you are in court, please. All right, Mr. Thornton, you are going to go to room 42. Go ahead and hit join for me, please. Ms. Pringle, did you get that number?
Yes, I'm calling in
Okay.
now, 355-4460.
Yep, give them a call. All right. And then we'll see you back. I'm going to set a date for you in 90 days. So July 8th at 8:30 a.m. But again, oh, so sorry, Madam Clerk. That's Ms. Pringle. I'm setting her for 90 days out. Probably we'll just see. One of the attorneys may just appear on your behalf that day. And the next time we'll see you probably will be at your graduation. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right. We've got Raymond Thompson. Attorney Ragnan, good morning. Your client is here. Let's move him up.
Your Honor, my apologies. I was in a trial and I usually call in advance to let you know or take care of it. And I'm very sorry.
We're all good. We've all got huge dockets we're handling today. I just moved your client to room 3.
Very much.
And then I'll give you co-host. Ms. Horn is in here with us. You've got co-host. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
We've got, thank you. Christian Powell, please unmute, turn on your camera. I'm ready to take your plea. Calling ticket. You need me on Powell? No. Okay. Calling ticket number P1847880. City versus Christian Powell. Please state your name for the record, Ms. Powell.
Christian Powell.
I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license and no insurance count being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
You understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on December 30th of 2025 in the area of West Davison and Wildermere, that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Your fine is going to be $190. Okay. And you've got 60 days to either get that paid.
Okay.
Or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Okay. You need Attorney Wallace? Go ahead.
Attorney Wallace, did you give him the trial date?
Yes. Give who the trial date?
Mr. The one that has 65 counts.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I can read.
I was gonna put him on a totally different day. When I saw that, when I saw you said trial 65 counts, I was gonna give you a different day. I don't want to use that day now. You gave him the 30th, right?
I did. I'm sorry.
Well, there's no way for you to know that. Yeah, there's no way to know.
It's okay. It's fine.
I told him, I said I said I think we're just trying to get it more manageable because I don't think every officer that shows up.
Yeah, that's the right call. Yeah, that's the right call.
I was just trying to catch you.
I think put that in the note if you want a different date.
Yeah, I was just trying to catch you to give him a date by himself, but it's okay.
Well, I just had a one. He wants a jury trial, and I gave him the 30th also. But I told him, and I do have his contact information if you want to change the
Now
date.
that one we'll need because we don't get to pick our own jury trial dates. They're given to us. And
right.
so
But
if you have contact information for him, that's great because he'll need assigned counsel and all that stuff. So that we'll get that one worked out. That's no big.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go back at it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Raymond Thompson, ticket number P1860425, City versus Raymond Thompson Jr. Mr. Thompson, please state your name for the record.
Raymond Thompson.
Thank you. It looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, 2 other charges being dismissed, though I don't know what those 2 are. Does Mr. Thompson have 3 matters on our docket?
Yes, he has SP ticket and a ticket from 2014.
So here's the issue. They keep getting confused. There's a Raymond Thompson Jr. who has 2 counts. Then there's a Raynard Thompson Jr. that has another count.
So Raymond Thompson Jr.
has a driver's license and an insurance. I take it the license, Mr. Thompson, I take it your license is not valid at this time?
No, I don't have a license.
Okay, that's fine. So what you're doing is you're pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, and I'm dismissing the no insurance ticket. They thought you had 3 tickets, but you only have 2. Okay, the other one is a slightly different first name, just different enough that but it looked the same. Okay, so you only have 2 tickets. You're pleading one down to the failure to display, and I'm dismissing the other, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial, the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on February 4th of 2026, in the area of Yorkshire and Harper Avenue, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. You asked for credit for time served. Were you inside?
Yes, I just was recently released 1/14 for 2026. I did approximately 28 months.
Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 5 days with credit for 5 days.
Yes.
So you don't need to pay any money. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, I thank you so much.
Thank you. Mr. Thornton, you've spent a whole lot of time in this room with me this morning, so I know you've heard me ask people a million times not to bang on the help button, yet here we are. How may I help you?
You have put me in the room and just wasn't nobody in there.
And you've
just
also
trying
heard
to-
me say many times today that there is a wait. You're in room 42. That means there are 41 people that went into breakout rooms before you. And there are 2 attorneys working their way through trying to get to everyone while I try to run court out here. But what causes a problem when I'm trying to run court out here is the repeated use of that button, because it makes me stop court. Right? So now here we are, and I'm talking to you, and I'm not doing cases. I need you to wait patiently in the room for the attorney to get there. And now I need you to return yourself to the room so the attorney can come there and speak with you, please.
Okay, all I'm asking is how long are we talking, Your Honor?
No, I'm not the attorney. I'm not controlling how quickly they work. So if you've got an emergency that causes you to need to leave court, you can reschedule and you can come down for court in person if you'd like to do that.
Y'all been having me waiting for so long, man. So
Okay,
long.
so let's do this. You don't have to wait. Why don't you come on down in person next week? You don't have to wait anymore today. What day works best for you next? What day works best for you next week, Mr. Thornton? You're going to come down in person.
I really can't tell you because I don't know what my next week is.
That's going to result in a warrant. You need to come to court. You have come into my courtroom this morning. We had bad audio to start with, not your fault, but I spent time dealing with that. Then we finally got you back in here and you're on camera sleeping in your bed, asking me to watch you do that. Then I put you in the breakout room and you won't stop using the help button. And now you're spending my time again. So the best thing for you to do, since you have technology issues and issues with being appropriately dressed for court, is for you to just come down in person. So I'm going to give you the date to do that right now, since you're not able to give me one. I was trying to be flexible and allow you to choose the date, but you don't seem to be able to do that. What is today? Thursday? Next Thursday, 8:30 a.m., Mr. Thornton. If you don't get here, then it could result in a warrant. So you should make sure you're here next Thursday at 8:30 a.m. in person. I will see you then. Have a good day. This is on Shanika Thomas. I'm sorry I kept it up here sometime.
Did I drop a file?
Yeah. I'm trying to get Earl Christopher Taylor out there. They say he's got a fail to report. They're asking for an SOS on Albert Philpott. And then I have Darius Perryman, who's going to be a dismissal, looks like. All right, Mr. Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number P1867042 and P1868997, City versus Earl Christopher Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Earl Christopher Taylor, Jr.
I need you to speak up, Mr. Taylor. Your audio is really low and the court reporter's not going to be able to hear you. Your name one more time, nice and loud, please.
Earl Christopher Taylor, Jr.
Thank you. All right, I understand you're going to plead to the reduced charge of failure to report an accident. Is that correct?
Yes.
And, okay. So I'm looking at my notes for the last time. The last time you had an offer to a 6-month delayed sentence, which you wanted to accept, but you had a technical issue, so we brought you back today. So the offer was to a 6-month delay on this. And we said that we would hold the offer open for you today because of the technical issue. The 6-month delay will mean that it'll go on your record at first, but then it will come off in 6 months as long as you get this paid and you don't pick up any similar tickets in that time. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
I do.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on February 17th of 2026 in the area of Connor and Promenade that you failed to report an accident?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. Get that paid in the next 6 months. Don't pick up any similar tickets. In this case, we'll get dismissed. If you can't get it paid in the next 6 months, or if you pick up another ticket like this, you're going to have to come back and see me so we can talk about that on July the 8th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, good.
Calling ticket number P1798272, City versus Darius Lee Perryman. Mr. Perryman, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Darius Perryman.
All right, thank you. Good job getting your insurance documents together. Defense counsel has reviewed them, made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I'm happy to grant. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a great day.
Right there.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, what's Albert Philpott have going on? Oh, she said it's too many. She's gonna need to do something on Philpott. She said, be right back. Have him reach out on Tyrone Filson. It's too many cases to put on the room for the offer. I think that they are thinking like Attorney Wallace is in 33 instead of 32. I think they're missing. I think he's missing the notes on the rooms. I'm going to move him to 31. Bringing Cassandra Tinsley out. Thank you. All right, Ms. Tinsley, good morning. Can you get the camera on you, please? Ms. Tinsley, please unmute. Turn your camera to face you, please. Phone number ending in 6324, I need a name. Phone number ending in 6324, I need a name.
Demetrius Turner. I was just inside the room, but it had hung up on me. Demetrius Turner.
You know which room you were in, Mr. Turner?
No, I can't. I don't. Courtroom 437.
Okay, that's okay. Yep, all right, I'm putting you in a breakout room. Just wait there for the attorneys, please. They're coming. Corporal Spidell, which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Price, M. Price.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1. City attorney was here. She'll be back, I think, shortly. Go into room 1. Okay. Calling ticket number P1112190. All right, Ms. Tinsley. Ms. Tinsley, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Ms. Tinsley.
Yes, I can.
Okay, I need you. I don't know what I'm looking at. Can you please turn your camera around?
I'm just not familiar with this stuff. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay.
It's okay. Okay. So I see that you're going to plead guilty to a failure to display and an improper plate.
Yes.
Problem is you've got a civil infraction that went into default that's still recent enough for me to take it out of default. It's a 2-point ticket that's 6 to 10 over. So if you wait a minute, we may get you an offer on that speeding ticket because it's in default right now and it's putting points on your license. Okay. So we may be able to help you with that if you give me a minute.
Okay.
All right, just sit tight for a moment. We're ready on DeAndre Turner and then ready on Tahir Hassin, please. Calling ticket number P1810332, City versus DeAndre Lamar Turner. Counsel, good morning. Your appearance, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragland, P23-157 on behalf of defendant Turner. Mr. Turner, would you state your full name for the record?
DeAndre Lamar Turner.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How are we proceeding, Attorney Ragland?
After discussing this matter with the prosecuting attorney and Mr. Turner, we're going to ask the court to set this for a bench trial, if they would, please.
Okay.
So I can continue getting some information to the prosecutor as well.
Okay, thank you. All right, so do you need a trial date or a final pre-trial date? Is this you want to go trial date? Okay. So our next trial date is April the 30th. Have you requested discovery yet? If not, then I'll set it out 30 days so you have time to get discovery.
I did request it back on April 2nd.
Oh, okay, good. Then we can stick with our April 30th trial date if that works for you, counsel.
That'll be just fine, Your Honor.
Okay, great. April 30th at 9:30 a.m., okay?
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Hope you have a great day.
Back then. All right, thank you. You do the same. Always so good to see you.
Nice to see you.
All right, Mr. Turner, we'll see you back on your trial date.
All right, bye.
Okay. All right, Hala Tahir Hassin, ticket number P1605320. Would you please state your name for the record?
Hala Tahir Hassan.
Thank you. And Ms. Hassan, it appears you'll be pleading guilty with a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning this will be dismissed and removed from your record in 3 months as long as you pay your fine and don't pick up any similar tickets. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty? You are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes. I'm sorry, what is it?
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Just need an answer, please.
What is, I'm sorry, what is it?
I need you to swear to tell the truth, please.
Yes, I told the truth.
Thank you. Is it true that on July 28th of 2024, in the area of Jeffries and Larchmont, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is 190 days. You have $190. You have 90 days to get it paid. As long as you pay it in the 90 days and don't pick up any similar tickets, this case will be dismissed on July the 8th. However, if you pick up a similar ticket or you don't get it paid, you need to come back and see me on July 8th at 8:30 in the morning. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. May I have the Albert Philpott file, please? Thank you. Right, calling ticket number P1874291, City versus Albert Philpott, and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Albert Philpott. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Albert C. Philpotts.
Thank you. Looks like they're going to take that 16 to 20 over in a school zone and turn that into a 1 to 5 over limited access. That is taking you from 4 points to 0. Please be careful. All right, everything else is being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And I'm sorry, this is a civil infraction, so it's just an admission, not a guilty plea. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. And you are admitting then that on March 2nd of 2026 in the area of Kelly Road and Cedar Grove Street, that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right. That fine is $125. You have 60 days to get it paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, this deal remains in place. For the record, all other matters on today's docket are dismissed pursuant to your plea. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, could you just make a note that anything else that he has should be dismissed pursuant to the plea? They're saying this, they said on the notes dismiss 5. I didn't have other 5. I didn't have 5 other cases to dismiss in my. Mr. Childress.
Yes.
Hi, I know you were here earlier. Did someone send you out of the breakout room?
Yes, but I didn't get to talk to nobody. I sat there.
Well, who told you to come out?
I think it disconnected, and I end up having to reconnect. So that's why I'm in the courtroom actually. But I never got to talk to nobody for an hour straight.
Well, that's because there's about 50 people here today. So I don't know what number room you were in.
Mine is only a bench warrant hearing, I guess.
Sir, I can't do this with 50 people that came to court today because everybody wants to go first and nobody wants to wait. I get it. I don't like waiting either, but that's all I can do today. So I'd like to try to put you in the breakout room that you were in before so that your wait is not longer instead of the end of the line. Do you know what room you were in?
I think 37.
Okay. That's good because that would mean the attorney is now in room 33. So he has to go to 35, which is empty. So if I put you back in 37, you're next. Okay. So just be patient. He's on his way to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Join. Okay. Rose Thomas. Good morning, Ms. Thomas. Calling ticket number P1877501, City versus Rose Lee Thomas. Ms. Thomas, just state your name for the record, please.
Rose Lee Thomas.
Thank you. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid insurance documents, made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
All right. Thanks. Bye-bye. Okay, Attorney Wallace, good morning again.
Good.
I just put someone back in 37 who had left because he was chomping at the bit, so he's waiting to see you there.
Okay.
Let's see, we've got, Ms. Tinsley. Ms. Tinsley has a ticket in default that's still new enough to get out of default. That's a 6 to 10 over. I don't know if you want to reach out to Ms. Horn and see if she can get a blockading on that.
All right, I'll go talk to her.
She's already taken an improper plate and failure to display, and that she only has 1, 2, 3, 4 charges altogether, including the 6 to 10 over. So maybe that'll get better.
Okay, I'll see if I can track her down.
Thank you. And then, like I said, 37 is waiting for you too.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I've got Ms. Alexis Tompkins. Good morning. Calling tickets number P179-5505, P177.
Good morning.
Good morning, and P172-5161. All of these are City versus Alexis Tompkins. Ms. Tompkins, please state your name for the record.
Alexis Tompkins.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 1 count of improper plates. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
I believe so, yes.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No. He just
Are you
said that.
pleading?
Huh?
I'm sorry.
I said no, he just said that that's what they was doing. I don't know.
Okay. Did anyone force, threaten, or
No.
coerce you taking a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I guess, yeah.
Ms. Tompkins, there are questions that I have to ask you according to the court rules to ensure a knowing and voluntary plea. And every time I ask you a question, you give me something that's a non-answer. So I'm going to try this again. Did anyone promise you anything I don't know about?
No.
In that room to get you to plead guilty today?
Did
anyone? There's a court reporter trying to take a record.
Oh, no.
Please.
You want me to say no?
Yep.
No.
Madam Court Reporter, did you get that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Okay.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial?
You said, did he
Perhaps
advise
if
me?
you could stop whatever else you're doing, be still, look at the camera, and listen to the questions I'm asking you, please.
I said, you said, did he advise me?
Did he advise you that you have the right to a trial on these issues?
Yes.
Did he advise you of the rights that you would have at a trial?
No.
Okay. At trial, you would have the right to see, hear, and question witnesses against you. You would have the right to have us subpoena witnesses on your behalf. You would have the right to testify on your own behalf or choose to remain silent. If you chose to remain silent, the government could not make any comment about your choice to remain silent. And you would have the right to be presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that you would have those rights if you took your cases to trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yeah.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. I need an answer, please.
He says, yes, it's truth.
Thank you. All right. Is it true that on August 19th of 2025 in the area of Gratiot and Van Dyke, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Correct.
Thank you. Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
No, I had insurance. I had just got the car. I had insurance. I had just got the car and I had insurance.
Okay.
And I had
So
a sticker. I had a sticker on there. I didn't have a plate. I had the sticker.
Are you telling me, so what you're telling me is that you had valid insurance on the vehicle on August 19th of 2025?
Yes, but I had just got the car. I just got the car about a month before that.
Do you have any proof of that insurance?
It was with LA. I did a 6 months insurance with LA Insurance.
Do you have any proof of that insurance?
No, I don't have it with me. But yeah, I had insurance though. It's yeah, I don't have it now. It's expired now. But yeah, at that time I did have it.
Right. Well, if it was valid at the time of the stop, then you should not be taking a plea to no insurance reduced to improper plates if your plates were proper. So I'm going
He
to take
didn't
your
tell
plea.
me. He didn't tell me which
I'm
one.
still talking. I'm trying to dismiss a case for you. If you would not interrupt me, please.
Okay.
I'm going to dismiss the insurance ticket. Okay. The failure to display fee, I have accepted that one. That one is $190. That one's going to be, you have 60 days to get it paid or to see the cashiers on the first floor to get on a longer term payment plan if you require one. As long as you give them the down payment to start the payment plan, then you give them the down payment to start the payment plan within the next 60 days, this deal remains in place. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. Who's at the phone number ending in 6324, please?
More Therese. I was just in the room, but I keep getting kicked out. I don't know, my phone.
You're going to
signal
have
keep
to just
dropping.
come in person because we're about to be at the end of the docket and you can't stay in court. So you can come down in person. Just let me know within the next week which day is good for you to come in person.
Oh man, okay.
Malik Taylor. Good morning. Calling ticket number P1849558, City versus Malik Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Malik Taylor.
Thank you, Mr. Taylor. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, and the no insurance ticket will be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Is it true, sir, that on January 21st of 2026 in the area of Curtis and Tracy that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal will remain in place. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. May I have the Zakiah Pinkard file, please?
She show files and she has a lot of tickets and warrants.
Okay. I'm going to take a look at those. I was hoping that we would get Ms. Horn back here in a minute. Okay, Ms. Pinkard, I know that you have what they think is a resolution through a failure to display. However, your cases, you have a number of other cases that we found where you have warrants, and we want you not to walk out of here with warrants. Okay, so give me just a minute. What about, can I do Brandy Taylor?
Same, she has tickets
Oh.
and warrants.
Okay, thank you. Same with you, Ms. Taylor. You've got a few tickets that are in warrant status that we're going to need to try to deal with either today or on a different day. But I don't want anybody leaving court with warrants. So at the very least, for Ms. Pinkard and Ms. Taylor, we will clear your warrants. If you guys would like to wait for the city attorney to come back, she's not here right now. She's in another courtroom. And I don't know how long she'll be gone. So if you want to come back a different day so that all your tickets can be put together, there's no point in me taking a plea from you right now because your offer will be better. You know, it just adds an extra thing that you're pleading to when you come back. It doesn't make sense for you. So if you'd like to wait today to get it done, you can. I know you've been here a long time, and so you may not want to leave. But if you're tired of waiting, because I can't tell you how much longer the wait's going to be today, then I can give you a date to come back. It's totally up to the two of you.
I shouldn't even have any warrants. I just went to the amnesty program.
Well, okay. So here's what's happening. If you're participating in amnesty, are they the ones that gave you the date to come today?
Yes.
Okay, so there's two different kinds of tickets that get heard in this courtroom. All right, one is civil infractions, the other are misdemeanors.
I know what it was.
So let me double check and see if all of your civil infractions and misdemeanors are dealt with. That might be part of what's happening. Give me just a second. Go ahead, Ms. Pinkert.
I have another court date for the 20th.
So they gave you two different court dates.
Yes.
Separate. She was here for a show cause on another case.
Oh.
And then in the meantime, she came in and they scheduled those for the 20th.
Okay.
So the case that she scheduled for today is just a show cause.
So they scheduled this one for a show cause to catch up with the other ones that are scheduled for the 20th.
She came in after
Okay.
the show cause date is already scheduled.
I gotcha.
So they just scheduled they scheduled those for the 20th.
Okay. And so in terms of what's in warrant status, I'm showing all of these misdemeanors in warrant status. Is that correct?
Those are the ones that have the new date for April 20th. She came in. She came in on March 31st.
Okay.
And they gave her April 20th. And the other ticket was already.
Did they clear the warrants on these?
Yes, they cleared.
Okay, good. All right. So they cleared your warrants, Ms. Pinkert, and they gave you a date to resolve them all on the 20th, I guess, except for this one case that hung out here for today for some reason. So you already have a date for the 20th. You can come back on the 20th if you want, and they'll be prepared to put everything together. Since you already have that date, you'll get an offer that includes the ticket you're here on today and all those other ones that they set for the 20th. Or if you want to wait, I can have her deal with all of them today, and then you don't have to come back on the 20th.
Okay, I'll wait.
Okay, give me just a minute. We'll try to get hold of the city attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right. And then Brandy Taylor, what would you like to do? Do you want to wait for city attorney? Because you also have, Brandy Taylor, you also have in default a ticket for disregarding a red or yellow light, which went into default, that's putting points on your driver's license. It's still new enough that the attorney can make a motion and we can pull it out of default, and you might be able to get something that has no points or less points at least. So if you want to wait and do that today, you can, but if you want, I'll pull it out of default, clear the warrants, and then they can deal with them all when you come back the next time. And you're muted, so unmute if you want to talk to me.
I'll wait.
Okay, you want to wait too? Okay, all right. So give me just a minute. We'll get the attorneys in on this. Give me a minute. Okay, I've got Gary Penny ready. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Calling ticket number U751-25126, City versus Gary Penny. Mr. Penny, please state your name for the record.
Gary Penny.
Thank you. And Mr. Penny, it appears that you're going to be pleading guilty as charged with a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm Mr. Penny, that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes, everything I'm saying today is the truth.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, sir, that on February 23rd of 2026, in the area of Livernois and Wagner, that you were in violation of the city's controlled substance code by being in possession of narcotics?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Your fine is going to be $190. This is a 3-month delayed sentence. As long as you pay the $190 in the 3 months and don't get any other tickets like this, we'll pull it up and dismiss it in 3 months. If, however, you don't get it paid or you pick up a similar ticket, then you're going to have to come back and see me in 90 days, which would be July 8th at 8:30 in the morning. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's regroup for a moment. I've got Attorney Wallace with us. And let's see. All right, Attorney Wallace, do you know if you worked with Miss Pinkard or Miss Taylor? Here I've got Zakiah Pinkard or Brandy Taylor.
I worked with Brandy Taylor. Wasn't that the one where you said that she had more stuff going on?
So both of them do. So on Brandy Taylor, she's still with me. She was going to plead to failure to display. However, she has 3 other matters in default: driving on suspended license, or in warrant status, excuse me, driving on suspended license, no insurance misdemeanor, and false proof of insurance. So those 3 in warrant status. In default, what she had is expired plates, no valid registration. She also has a disregarding red or yellow in default that's new enough to be motioned out of default. It's carrying points. And then she's got the driving while license suspended. She's got the driving while license suspended, which she was going to plead to the failure to display. So she needs an offer from Ms. Horn that includes all of these things.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting to hear from Ms. Horn. I don't see her here, and I did text her to try to catch her.
Okay, I'll shoot her a note, let her know that we need her.
Okay.
Attorney Wallace, just so you know, I don't know who's gonna get it. I sent the future docket of April 20th with Ms. Pinkard's cases so that you will have all of the charges. I sent it to you and Attorney Johnson, and I sent it to Ms. Horn so that she can do the offer from that.
Okay, so we just need Ms. Horn so we can get an offer on Taylor and Pinkard. Okay. I'll do them both as long as I can get Ms. Horn to.
All right, thank you. Let's see. I'll just tell her.
So I sent Ms. Pinkard. I can do one for Ms. Taylor.
Okay.
Maybe wherever she's at, she can.
She's got so much going on. I'm not even mad at her. I'm just waiting.
Oh, it's this amnesty week. It's this amnesty. It's killer.
Roberta Pruitt didn't say anything about amnesty when she called and asked if I wanted to do these. Now I know why.
All right, Johnson needs an SOS in room 40 on Karen Terrell.
Oh, there's. There's a lot. Miss Pinker's got a lot going on. Maybe we should just have her come in. We'll do a bench trial date and see how many of these we really have to worry about.
Well, that is true. So I'm looking at Ms. Pinkard. The ones that I have in my hand are from 2024, 2023. Here's an older one. So we do have some that are quite a bit older, it looks like, on Ms. Pinkard. Do you want to take her back into breakout and talk to her about that?
Yeah.
Help her understand what that strategy is. Okay, Ms. Pinkard, I'm going to put you in room 3. Well, I'll just move her up to room 3 if you want to go talk to her in room 3, Attorney Wallace.
That's good.
And just so you know, she already has another court date on the 20th for a lot of these tickets. So, but if you want to set them all for like a bench trial, we can do that. We can
Okay.
rearrange that. Okay. Room 3, Ms. Pinkard, go ahead in there and talk to Attorney Wallace, please. Andy Taylor has additional in details. I'm not really sure about most of them is the expired plates registration, but one of them is also disregarding the yellow light, so she needs an offer on that one. She was already going to take a failure to display on the driving while license suspended. The only other thing she had were those 3 in default. Now this is Brandy Taylor. So she has 3 in default, expired plates, registration, and disregarding red or yellow light. They're all recent enough to be pulled out of default, period. She was pleading to driving while license suspended down for failure to display, period. However, we also have another driving while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor and false proof of current status, period. So she needs a revised offer, period. And then we've got Ms. Tinsley. And then I have to Sandra Tinsley, who was already pleading to an improper plate and failure to display, but she has a 6 to 10 over speed in default that we need an offer on. Karen Terrell, what's Karen Terrell have?
Oh,
What'd she decide to do?
She's gonna come back on the 30th for a bench trial. So if we can move all of
Okay.
it up to her.
Okay, so let's do that on Pinkard, move everything to bench trial for the 30th.
okay.
Okay, great. Thank you.
No problem.
Did you tell her 9:30th? 9:30?
Yes, I did.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so that's on Pinkard. I'm waiting. Ms. Tinsley has the same thing where she's pleading to an improper plate and failure to display, but she's got a 6 to 10 over speed and default. So we're trying to figure out what she's doing with that one.
Okay. I'm just waiting for Tamika.
Same.
Your Honor,
Uh-huh.
it's any way I can go, I guess, speak with the attorney again, because when I went down, I paid for 2 tickets. I believe that was one in display, a red signal, and the 6 to 10.
Oh, you want, well, here, let me check then. We'll check the system. I'm just going by what's written in front of me. Even still, you may want to, if you paid the ticket straight out, then it will be considered an admission. And so you may want to talk to the attorney about withdrawing an admission, because if you're admitting to something that puts points on your license, you know, we pay quite a bit for insurance around here. And so if that can be avoided, you might want to think about that, but I'll leave that up to you. Yeah, that's it. Well, she has her driving while license not valid and unregistered and improper plate. So she was already doing an FTD and an improper plate. But we're trying to see what's going on with that 6 to 10 over.
That one is not paid.
Okay.
I paid 2 tickets. The ones that's not highlighted, I paid, except for the no proof of insurance. That's what I was going here for.
What are you showing open for Miss Simpson?
Open, I see
Or not open, what's in default warrants, like how, what does she have, this one?
She has disregard red signal.
That's that one.
That's from 2020.
Oh, that's older.
And then the 4 misdemeanor tickets.
Right.
And then the speeding ticket, which
That
is
one.
in default.
Okay.
So I don't know which ones she's paid because they're closed. You know,
Oh.
I will have to go through it to see what she paid.
Okay, we're not able to tell which ones you've paid and which ones you haven't. I think what's happening with Amnesty is we're getting the files up here with things written on them and in them. But then if you come in after the file makes its way up here, then it's not getting updated. So I'll need to take a look.
She paid a state trooper ticket.
Mhm.
That was civil, no proof of insurance.
Mhm.
40 on that.
All right, so we need to run an SOS on Filson. Let's see, what's Karen Terrell have? Let's get her out of here. Because she's valid.
And the speeding ticket is not in the system.
So that's it on Terrell?
Yeah.
Okay, let's bring her on out. Let me have that file, please. We'll get her out of here. You sure did. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Ms. Terrell, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What is this? Why is this ticket in this file? Okay, good morning. I am calling tickets number P1874275 and P1874526. These are both City versus Karen Terrell. Ms. Terrell, please state your name for the record.
Aaron Panetta Terrell.
Thank you. All right. You have 3 tickets before me. Driver's license expired, no insurance, and expired plates. Council has verified the validity of all of those items and made a motion to dismiss those tickets on your behalf, which I'm going to grant.
Thank you.
So these will be dismissed. Be aware, there's a notice about a speeding ticket here. An 11 to 15 over the posted speed limit. That has not gotten put into the system. So watch for that. If that ticket pops up, you'll get another court date, or you can come back for a court date to get that one addressed, because that would carry points. So you probably don't want to just go pay it. If it does come up in the system, eventually you'll want to come back in for a court date to try to work on it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a good day.
You as well.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. This is about when you start telling me to take a vacation. I think you need a vacation. You would be correct. Off my phone in this mess. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we've heard from this one. Yep, she says she needs about Well, she said she needed about 10 minutes, and that was almost 10 minutes ago. So hopefully we'll see Ms. Horn in a few here.
Sounds good.
All right, so they need an SOS on Tyrone Filson in room 4.
Yeah, he's valid. I sent the email.
Valid, great. Okay. All right, well, we should have city attorney here in just a couple of minutes, guys, and then we'll see what she'll do on your matters.
Okay.
This week has really been crazy. Oh, boy. All right, so on Cassandra Tinsley, we were trying to get to the bottom of what we need to deal with today on Cassandra Tinsley. Yeah, remember, right, weren't we? Is that Miss Tinsley that was saying, yeah, that she had paid some things? So what I have in my hand for Miss Tinsley is ticket ending in 2190, 3 counts there. Then I have ticket ending in 4578, 1 count there. And then I have ticket ending in 4606 in default. I have, are you talking about Tinsley? I'm sorry?
So I'm looking at the document.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to do the same thing.
Oh, yeah, so the one that she just has, she has a 610 that's in default.
Got that one.
That's from January 9th, 2025.
Yep.
And she has 4 misdemeanors.
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4. And then the disregard red signal from 2020. That's, I don't know if it's in the file or not.
Okay, no. Oh, here's Miss Warren. And that's it for her? Okay, so that way I can deal with that one quickly.
You want me to print that one out?
No. Yes, yeah, I guess so. Hey, Ms. Horn. Okay, let me, before I lose you, quickly on these 2 that I have in front of me. I've got Cassandra Tinsley.
Okay, let me find her. Let's see. Okay, I see her. At 8:30, Your Honor.
So she has a few things going on. So she has on the docket, she's got ticket ending in 2190. We've got a driving with license not valid, no registration, improper plates. On ticket 4578, I've got a driving while license suspended. And then I have a ticket 4606 that has a 6 to 10 over posted speed.
Okay.
She was going to plead to the improper plate and FTD, but then we found the 6 to 10 over. Need to see if you'll revise your offer there.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor. So the 6 to 10 speed, that's not too much. That's probably normal. Blockading on that one and dismissal of the FTD, and she can just roll with improper plates and blockading.
Okay, thank you. All right, so Ms. Tinsley, and then on Brandy Taylor.
Okay.
Ms. Taylor had a ticket in default for, so, okay, let me just go through them. I've got ticket ending in 1171. That's a driving while license suspended in count 3.
I did see those. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I did see those 2, registration and expired plate. If she wants to plead to 2 civil infraction, I have no objection to setting those aside, or an FTD, and I'll dismiss those 2. I did see them because usually when I see it in, only 1 count ending in 2 or 3, I figure there's a 1 or 2 out there.
Did you see her disregard red or yellow on 1808?
Thank you, Your Honor. No, I did not. 1808. Okay, so limited access, 1 to 5 on that. And I'm not sure which one she wants to do. Is plead to the 2 civils or the failure to display?
Okay, we'll figure that part out. Thank you.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
All right, and then I see Attorney Johnson is out here to talk to you, as well as Attorney Wallace. You guys want to go into room 2 with Ms. Horn so I can take care of these 2 if you need her. Oh, Attorney Wallace, you may not need her. Let's see. You just want to go talk to.
I want to talk. I'm gonna because we've thrown out a lot of different case numbers and everything. So I'm just trying to make sure I know what we got going on. So for
okay,
Ms.
so
Taylor,
let me let
we're doing
Mr.
1 to 5 over on a civil.
1 to 5. I'll go through them with you. 1 to 5 limited. Let's let Attorney Johnson get into breakout room with Ms. Horn in number 2, because that's a big case that they need to go through. I know. Attorney Wallace, and I'll go through what she just said to you on Brandy Taylor, and then also on Tinsley.
So
on
before
Brandy
you start, Judge,
Taylor,
real quick, Miss Taylor and Miss Tinsley, you don't have to turn on unmute, but I want you to pay attention to me. The judge is going to go over each one of your charges, and we can either go back and talk about them, or you can just look at me saying yes or no if I think it's a good idea. You guys get it? Let's go.
All right. So on Brandy Taylor, though, we're talking choices. Okay. We got choices. So Ms. Taylor has a driving while license suspended, expired plates, and no registration, all on 1 ticket. On that particular ticket, Ms. Horn has said she may plead to the 2 civils, the expired and registration, or the one misdemeanor reduced to failure to display.
Okay.
She has another ticket that's in default for disregarding a red or yellow light. Ms. Horn has offered to reduce that one to the 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point ticket.
Okay.
That ticket's a no-brainer. What you guys want to do on the other one, I don't know. You guys can
So the
decide.
FTD is no points, and the other ones are the civil infractions. Those aren't
There are
any.
no points. No.
Well, then I guess it would come down to finances. If the FTD would probably be the least expensive of all of them, right? So, Ms. Taylor, the offer is for you to plead to failure to display and a limited access 1 to 5 over. 1 to 5 over is no points. Failure to display is no points, and the FTD is the cheapest route to go when it comes to the other one. Sound good? All right, let's make it happen, Captain.
Okay, calling ticket number P1821808 and P1871171, City versus Brandy Alexis Taylor. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Taylor, P80922.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Brandy Taylor.
Thank you. And I assume you're making a motion to remove the defaults on these defaulted matters, counsel?
I am, Your Honor.
Granted. All right.
Your Honor, Ms. Taylor would like to take advantage of the generous offer from the people, and that would be to plead on the one civil infraction of a limited access 1 to 5 over, and then on the other tickets, a failure to display.
Okay, thank you. And Ms. Taylor, does that sound right to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything that I haven't heard about today to get you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, ma'am, that on February 24th of 2026 in the area of Van Dyke and Agnes in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
You are also admitting, ma'am, that on November 6th of 2025 in the area of Kelly Road and Maroth, that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Are you making that admission at this time?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. On your failure to display, that's 190. On the 1 to 5 over limited access, that's 125. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things. You can get these paid off in full in the 60 days, or you may simply start on a payment plan with the cashier on the first floor of the courthouse. As long as you start that payment plan with them within the next 60 days, this deal remains in place, including the matters which were dismissed, the expired plate, and registration. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. Now we have Ms. Tinsley. And so for Ms. Tinsley, her offer was to reduce the 6 to 10 over to blockading. And it was just an improper plate. She would take off the FTD. It would just be to the improper plate and blockading.
Ms. Tinsley, you ready to plead to that? Take your phone off mute, but yes, we're ready to go, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right. Calling tickets number P1664606, P1112190, and P1664578, and any other related matters on today's docket to City versus Cassandra Renee Tinsley. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Ted Wallace, P80922 on behalf of Ms. Tinsley. Ms. Tinsley, please state your name.
Cassandra Renee Tinsley.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Right,
would like to take advantage of the offer to plead to 1 count of blockading and one count of improper plates with the dismissal of the rest and stipulate to probable cause.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Tinsley, does that sound okay to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it does.
Thank you. And did anyone promise you anything that I haven't heard about to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, you can put your hand down. Is it true, ma'am, that on September 30th of 2020, in the area of East Jefferson and Randolph, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit without proper plates due to a lack of registration or title?
Yes.
Thank you. And then is it also true, well, you are admitting to, instead of the speeding, you're admitting to blockading traffic on January 9th, 2025 in the area of West State Fair and Bowman Street. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, very good. All right, your fine on the blockading is $175. It does not report to insurance. It does not have any points. It's just the fine. And then same thing on the improper plate. It's $190, right? And I'm going to give you 60 days on both of these, just like I did Ms. Taylor, to get them paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things, all of this deal remains in place. And for the record, we are dismissing the driving while license suspended on ticket ending in 4578. Also dismissing that one on ticket ending in 2190, along with one of the registration improper plate charges pled to one. And then the 6 to 10 turned into a blockading. That's on the ticket ending in 4606. Okay, Ms. Tinsley, have a great day.
Do all the same. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
And Your Honor, I'm just checking to see if I didn't see him at 9:29 and I don't see him at 10:52. Marcus Price for trial.
I've seen Mr. Price.
Okay. May I release
Okay.
officers, Your Honor?
Yeah, KPS will issue. You may release that officer
Okay, thank you.
or those officers. Thank you. And he's got the offer now on Filson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. We'll just wait to see what they're going to do, I guess.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, it looks like I'm all done then, right? Judge?
Thank you, Attorney Wallace. Thank you
Thank-
so much for all of your work today. I appreciate you.
No problem. And I'll send the email now instead of tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right.
All
You're
right.
welcome.
Bye.
And Judge just wanted to double check. I believe Filson's license is valid from
Yes.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I was just reading the room and still looked like it needed to be checked. Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Doing my last case now. I'm ready. I am doing my last case now. I'm ready. Thank you. All right, everyone. Ready on Mr. Filson?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Filson, looks like you really did yourself some good by getting all this stuff together before the trial date today. That's great. All right. Calling ticket number P1848105 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Tyrone Filson. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Rodney Johnson, P7817, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Filson, who is appearing via Zoom. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Tyrone Filson.
Thank you. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I did advise my client of his rights. He's going to waive his rights to a trial or formal hearing today. Ask that the following plea is adopted from the Assistant Corporation Counsel. Also, he does have a valid license and insurance and registration, but he is asking that this plea is adopted today. And the ticket ending in, I'm just going to read the whole ticket, Your Honor. SP 1780171 for driving on a suspended license. That would be, no, I'm sorry, Your Honor, it's the next one. SP 174-67191, driving on a suspended license, repeat offender. That would be amended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, but as taken under a 3-month delayed sentence. The next ticket is
Mr. Filson, please. We're taking a plea. It's complicated. I need you to pay attention, okay? Just for a minute. Let's just get this done. Thank you. All right, Attorney Johnson.
The next ticket is SP 186-96111, count 2, but no insurance. That will be amended to improper plates.
Okay.
The next ticket will be a plea of responsible. SP 185-35701, plea of responsible to defective brakes. Next ticket is SP 174-67193, plea of responsible to a seatbelt infraction. Next ticket is SP 1848122, count 1, following too close, will be amended to blockading. All remaining matters will be dismissed. Will stipulate to the face of the ticket to establish a factual basis for any of the civil infractions.
Thank you. So I have 3 civil infractions, 2 misdemeanors, one of them with a 3-month delay. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Horn, did you wish to make an appearance on the record here?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. I would like the officers to state their name and badge number for the record, starting with Officer Melvin Brown.
Officer Melvin Brown, badge 1586, Detroit Police Department. Good morning, Your Honor.
Officer Person.
Officer Person, badge number 22. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Officer Haupt, please state your name and badge number.
Good morning. Nicholas Haupt, Detroit Police Officer, badge 1789.
And Your Honor, for the record, Officer Hassan Couch was here and ready for trial along with Officer Kazali and Corporal Croxton.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Filson, you heard the terms of the plea. Did that all sound right to you?
Yes, but I only recognize one of them officers' face pulling me over.
I don't remember none of them officers, the other officers pulling me over. The last officer that stated his name, I remember him pulling me over. The other officers, I never remember them pulling me over.
Okay,
And
well,
Your Honor, we'll take a,
some of these tickets are from 2022, et
Okay.
cetera. So I would
Okay.
expect that not remember all of them. Yes, Ms. Horn.
the people will accept a no contest plea as to all misdemeanors and civil infractions with the stipulation to probable cause.
Okay, all right. And is that how we want to proceed? Attorney Johnson, given your client's statements?
Mr. Filson, what that means is that a no contest plea is still a guilty plea, but given the circumstances where you may not recall a face or maybe all of the facts, you can just enter no contest. You're not contesting that the offense occurred or that the ticket was written. But it's still a guilty plea. Everything else still remains the same that we discussed. You would just have to say no contest.
Okay.
All right, we're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. So I will begin with ticket ending in 7191. Here, ticket states date and location is August 20th, 2025 at East 7 Mile and Sunset. Charge is going to be allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, reduced from the driving while license suspended, repeat offender on that one. And we're also going to take the seatbelt ticket on that one. So East 7 Mile and Sunset is the allegation for both of those from the face of the ticket. All right. I just need to make sure, Mr. Filson, that you understand we are doing a no contest plea due to lack of memory. We are also going to use the face of the ticket to establish the factual bases. Is that correct, counsel?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Filson, you understand that entering a no contest plea does have the same effects in terms of the fines that you have to pay, okay, as a guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're going to turn that one into the 3-month delay allowing, and then we have also the seatbelt from that ticket and count 2 being dismissed per the plea. This ticket belonging to Officer Kazali. Right, then I have in ticket ending in, looks like 3570, count 1 is a defective brake light ticket. This one was for Corporal Croxton. That one will take the admission on the no contest basis. Using the face of the ticket, which alleges January 15th of 2026 in the area of westbound Gratiot and Glenwood that there were defective brakes. So admission to that one by no contest. Then I have ticket ending in, and I'm sorry, that ticket again belonging to Corporal Croxton. I have ticket ending in 8122. Count 1 is following too closely. That one being amended to the civil infraction of blockading traffic, with the other 2 counts being dismissed per the plea. This is again a no contest admission. I'm gonna need your help with some fines on these, Madam Clerk. Can I hand them to you and you can kind of tell me as we go? Thank you. All right, and then I have ticket ending in 9, is it 6111? Let's see, yeah, 9611. Count 2 is for no insurance. This one belonging to Officer Hope. We've got a license suspended and no insurance. The license suspended being dismissed, the no insurance being amended to an improper plate. Plea accepted via no contest, same bases. All right. this ticket belonging to Officer Holt. All right. Everything else being dismissed pursuant to the plea. Thank you. I'm getting ready to give you your fines and keys, Mr. Filson. Please pay attention. All right. On the seatbelt ticket, that one is $65. On your blockading, thank you, that's $175. On your defective brakes, that's $120. And on your improper plate, that one is $190. Okay, so you've got quite a few here. Got a lot dismissed though. I'm going to give you 90 days to do one of two things. And we have the one where we have on the allowing, that's a 3-month delay. So on the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, I need you to try to get that one paid off in full within the 90 days and don't get any similar tickets. That one's $190. Okay.
Yes.
But then you also have your other ones, your seatbelt at 65, your defective brakes at 120, your blockading at 175, and your improper plate at 190. On those tickets in the next 90 days, you can go see the cashier down on the first floor and get on a payment plan. They'll just want a down payment, okay? And as long as you give them the down payment to put the payment plan on it, then your deal remains in place, okay? Including all these dismissals and reductions.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Have a great day, Mr. Filson.
So the total was $1,197.
Oh gosh, now that I don't know, but they'll be able to tell you. You can log in and see the total tomorrow if you log onto the court's website, okay? Or you can come see the cashiers and they'll total it up for you.
Okay.
All right, have a great day. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, officers, for your appearance. Ms. Horn, I see Mr. Price has just gotten here. Corporal Croxton just came back. I'm going to let him just quickly put his name on the records. Corporal Croxton, would you please just state your name for the record? We just concluded the Filson matter. Oh, he's not connected to audio. Corporal Croxton, would you just state your name for the record?
Good morning, Judge. Corporal Croxton, first name Eric, 665 Detroit police officer. Good morning.
Thank you. We did this. Good morning. We just finished up the Filson matter. One of your tickets was addressed through a plea. I can't remember exactly what it was, but your ticket got in there because we had record of you being here. Okay.
Yes, indeed, Judge. Thank you. Thank you and your staff. Have a great day.
Thanks. Bye-bye. Mr. Price.
Yes.
You know, a warrant was issued for you not too long ago because the officers were here waiting for you. We were all waiting for you to get to court at 9:30.
I apologize. I just woke up late, but I know I just had to, go to court. I knew it was today, but I woke up late.
So when you set a case for trial, we subpoena officers and we pull them away from their other duties so that they can come to court just for you. And they got here and they sat here and now he's gone again. What I will do, Ms. Horn, I will set a date 30 days out for Mr. Price for a bench trial.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I would object, just for the record. I think he needs a KPS. I don't think just waking up is good cause, but that's just for the record, Your Honor. I understand.
I agree with you. And I was going to tell him to come in person, but I can't do that because he's logged off. So we'll try this bench trial in 30 days. Hopefully that'll work out a little better. Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you, Your
for
Honor.
all of your work. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter, Attorney Johnson. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Have a good day, everyone.
Okay.
Have a good day.